Exploring Wildlife Refuges, a journey into nature's sanctuaries. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept: wildlife refuges. These are special places, and understanding them will not only expand your vocabulary but also your appreciation for nature and conservation efforts. So, let's dive in. A wildlife refuge is a designated area that provides shelter, protection, and breeding grounds for wild animals and plants, especially those that are endangered or vulnerable. These areas are crucial for preserving biodiversity and maintaining healthy ecosystems. Think of them as safe havens where wildlife can thrive without the pressures of human development, hunting, or other threats. Wildlife refuges serve several key purposes. 1. Protection of species. They protect endangered and threatened species from extinction. 2. Habitat preservation. Refuges preserve vital habitats like forests, wetlands, and grasslands. 3. Research opportunities. They provide areas for scientific research and monitoring of wildlife. 4. Education and recreation. Refuges offer educational and recreational opportunities for the public, helping to foster a connection with nature. Let's take a global tour of some renowned wildlife refuges. Kruger National Park, South Africa. Home to the Big Five: lions, leopards, rhinoceros, elephants, and buffaloes. Galapagos National Park, Ecuador. Known for unique species like giant tortoises and marine iguanas. Yellowstone National Park, USA. The first national park in the world, famous for its geysers and diverse wildlife. While these areas are primarily for wildlife, people play a crucial role. This includes conservation efforts. Rangers and scientists work to protect and study the inhabitants. Responsible tourism. Visitors must respect the refuge rules, such as not disturbing the wildlife and leaving no trace. Support and advocacy. Public support through donations and advocacy helps maintain and expand these refuges. We hope this journey into the world of wildlife refuges has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, these refuges are vital for preserving the natural beauty and diversity of our planet. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay curious.